Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Today, I'm going to be sharing with you an ambassador opportunity in the United Kingdom. If this is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And just so you know, it is fully funded, so you don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. This is something that you are interested in, don't even touch it down. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you to you guys for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So guys, if you're new here, introduce yourself while I do the same thing as well. So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. So make it a day to join your girl right here on this channel every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So guys, let's get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. If you're new here, make sure that you introduce yourselves in the comments. So I really want to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? So besties, have you heard of the UK One Youth Ambassador Program? It is now open. Applications are now open for the 2026 cohort, offering one of the most dynamic and influential volunteer opportunities for young people passionate about global development, advocacy, social change. If you're between the ages of 18 and 35 and you're eager to help shape a more equitable world, this program provides an unmatched platform to develop your voice, your influence, decision makers, and of course join a powerful global movement campaigning for justice and equity and equality. UK One initiative is one that brings together committed young leaders across the United Kingdom who want to champion issues like global health, climate change, fair development policies, while helping to challenge outdated narratives about Africa. For anyone seeking hands-on advocacy experience, international in development exposure, or preparation for leadership roles, the UK One Youth Ambassador Program offers a unique chance to actually grow, to create, to connect, and to create tangible impact. And here is why the UK One Ambassador Programs matters. Guys, in a world that is marked by widening inequality and persistent global challenges, the UK One Youth Ambassador Programs equips young people with the tools, networks needed to drive meaningful change. Successful applicants become key contributors to national and global campaigns, amplifying solutions that promote fairness, sustainability, and of course opportunity, especially for communities across Africa. You also become a youth ambassador. Yes, you gain the opportunity to influence public conversations, engage with policymakers, and participate in major national and international moments, including Africa Day events, lobby days in Parliament. The UK Spring Development Conference is also part of this diverse opportunity as a young person, and all united by the mission to create a world where everyone can thrive. And here is what to expect from the 2026 UK One Ambassador Program. This program is designed to be both enriching and action-oriented. Participants will experience a blend of expert-led training, hands-on advocacy, high-level engagement, world-class training, and skill building. Youth ambassadors will receive professional training on running high-impact campaign advocacy, yes, policy making, media and social media storytelling, public engagement, and communication strategies. Guys, these sessions help young leaders to strengthen their confidence and build effective advocates in both online and offline spaces. Communications and media studies. You get to network with change makers. This program provides opportunities to connect with fellow ambassadors across the United Kingdom and the Global One network. Now, these connections often become long-term professional relationships and collaborative partnerships. Representations and leadership opportunities. Ambassadors may be selected to represent one at events, meet members of parliament, contribute to national campaigns, take major part in youth developments, focused activities, guidance to create impactful community actions with support from the One team. Participants will design and implement creative advocacy actions within their communities. So whether through local events, digital campaigns, policy engagement, this is a program that will benefit every single one of you. To be a participant, you must live in the UK for the full duration of the program. You must be between the ages of 18 and 35. You must be able to commit a few hours each week and be available for key in-person events like the Launch Residential Lobby Days, Africa Day event, and the Spring Developments Conference. The minimum commitment is 9 months, with preference given to applicants who can participate for the full 11 to 12 months. No previous advocacy or development experience is required. You just need your passion, curiosity, and the willingness to learn. And here is how to apply for the UK One Ambassador Program. First and foremost, you need to submit your online application carefully. Read the One Ambassador role description and the information sheet for full details about expectations and responsibilities. For you to apply, you must complete the official online application. You must submit your answers to questions about your motivation, your skills, your interests with projects, yes, or campaigns that you have contributed. You must confirm your availability and understanding of the time commitments. You must submit your personal details and privacy preferences. The deadline is coming up really soon, and here is the reason why you should apply. So if you dream of a future of national development, public leadership, policies, advocacy, guys, the UK One Youth Ambassador Program is a powerful stepping stone. They offer real-world experience, national visibility, one-on-one guidance, and a chance to contribute to a global campaign fighting inequality. You can also become a voice that cannot be ignored. Apply now and be part of the UK One Youth Ambassador Program, and it is super easy and straightforward to apply. And at this point, I would like to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. If you would like to be a member, join my Patreon membership. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. And I also want to say a big thank you to my amazing channel members. Yes, thank you for supporting my creative journey. If you want to also join my channel membership, you can find the join button right next to the subscribe button right there on this channel and be part of my channel membership. And guys, I'm open to business collaborations and inquiries. Send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. My email list is now available for you to join. Sign up for my email list. We have 8,000 subscribers on this channel. It would be nice if I have all 8,000 email addresses. So go ahead and join my email list and also join my Telegram channel as well. Yes, I have a Telegram community. It's free of charge. So go ahead and join my Telegram channel as well. So besties, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you're not introduced yourself yet, if you're new here, please do that. Introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you watching from? You think I was joking? Introduce yourself. I like to know you and I like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And guys, this is, by the way, there is a platform I want to introduce you guys to. If you're someone that loves movies, you might want to join filmcurator.io for free movie recommendations, top-notch movies that you probably might never have heard of, but these movies are like top-notch, classy, and highly intellectual movies. If you're interested, go ahead and join. And of course, you don't get to pay. It's free of charge because you're using my link to join. Yes, that's about it in today's video. Till I see you guys in my next video, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now.